Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the essentials first. Check that your Hisense model supports Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast so you pick the right method. Once ready, make sure both the TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. 2. 4 GHz or 5 GHz both work. Next, power on the TV, press the input or home button, and open the SmartCast or screen mirroring app. This gets you immediately into the setup flow. Don't skip confirming model support. Now you connect from your device. On Android, open Settings, Connected Devices, then Cast, and select the Hisense TV, grant permissions if prompted. On iPhone, swipe to Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick the TV. You may need the TV PIN. On Windows, press Win+K or go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Cast to Display and choose the TV. Make sure apps aren't blocking casting. If video stutters, lower resolution on the source to improve performance. Finish by verifying audio goes to the TV and that the aspect ratio looks correct. Adjust in TV settings if necessary. If the cast won't connect, restart the TV and the sending device, then rejoin the same Wi-Fi network and try again. Make sure the TV firmware is up to date. If pairing still fails, enter the on-screen TV PIN on your device when prompted. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs on the source device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.